Hello, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix compare at price not showing on Shopify. Now, if you click on products and you click on the products, but you cannot see compare at price here, it doesn't appear. Keep in mind that if you are selling a product with different variations, you will have to click on each variant in order for you to check the compare price. Now I'm going to click on X size, for example, and as you can see, I will be able now to see the compare price here. Okay, just in case you didn't look at this, for example, this here is compare price. As you can see, because I clicked on each size, I'm going to click on each size that I can do that. Okay, now if it doesn't appear, regardless doesn't appear, then what you need to do, you want to click on markets here. Okay, markets, and then you want to click on the market. For example, you are selling to United States, Morocco, Africa, whatever. Click on it, and then here you will find three different options, and you will find here compare at price. Here one of them you will find. If it's only two, that means it's already enabled for your Shopify store. If it's not, you want to click on it, and then you want to click and untoggle the hide compare at price. Untoggle it, okay, because it's turned on. Turn it off so that you will be able to see compare at price option in your Shopify product, so that you can add that. Now I'm going to click on products, and I'm going to click on one of these products, and I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, I'm going to click here. I'm going to see if I can do this for all the variations. The edit prices, I'm going to click on edit price. Yeah, you cannot do that, so you have to click on each variant in order for you to change compare at price. Now I'm going to click on variant, this XXL, click on it. And then as you can see, you will be able now to see the compare at price. I'm going to set it for $40, and then the original price $10 or $19. Then click save. Make sure you click on save. Also, when you click on markets and you untoggle the hide, hide compare at price, you want to save your changes so that you can see the changes. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you.